Hey, it's great to be here at the Parcel and Postal Show, having a fantastic time in Amsterdam. Really giving us the opportunity at Transnorm to spend time with our customers, both our end users and system integrators. Give them the opportunity to see some of our fantastic products and technologies.
We are especially excited about our new TSM, Transnorm Sorting Module solution. It's a plug-and-play solution that really reduces the system complexity significantly. It also allows us and the end users to reduce the time of installation and maintenance. This plug-and-play functionality gives a lot of flexibility to our customers to meet their operational challenges.